When we talk about the ability to comprehend in detail, it involves multiple cognitive processes. It's not just about recognizing or understanding basic information, but about the depth of that understanding and the ability to connect various pieces of information. Here's a breakdown of how detailed comprehension works. Attention and focus. What happens? In order to comprehend something deeply, you need to focus your attention. If your attention is divided or scattered, your understanding will be surface level. Detailed comprehension requires full engagement with the material or situation, which means cutting out distractions. Contextual understanding. What happens? Comprehension isn't just about knowing the facts. It's about understanding the context in which those facts are presented. This includes recognizing the tone, intention, and any cultural, historical, or situational nuances. Detailed comprehension requires being able to discern meaning from subtle cues, whether it's in language like sarcasm or irony, behavior such as body language and facial expressions, or setting like the time period and environment. Critical thinking and analysis. Comprehension isn't passive. Detailed comprehension involves analyzing and interpreting what is being presented, asking questions, making connections, and even evaluating the reliability or validity of the information. It requires the ability to break down complex concepts, identify patterns, and assess whether the information is consistent with what you already know or whether it challenges your existing beliefs. Synthesis and integration. Once you've processed individual pieces of information, you need to integrate them into a bigger picture. It's about putting things together in a meaningful way and sometimes even synthesizing new ideas. Detailed comprehension requires being able to draw connections between concepts, see how they interrelate, and possibly form new insights or ideas based on the combination of information. Retention and recall. Detailed comprehension also means that the information sticks with you. You should be able to recall it when needed and apply it to new situations. Detailed comprehension requires strong memory skills and the ability to actively recall details, facts, or concepts when they're relevant. Application and use. The ultimate test of detailed comprehension is whether you can apply what you've understood. It's one thing to comprehend something in theory, but can you use it in real-world situations, problem-solving, or in making decisions? Detailed comprehension requires the ability to transfer knowledge and skills from one context to another, demonstrating a deeper grasp of how things work. Examples of detailed comprehension. Reading a complex text. Not only understanding the literal meaning of the words, but also grasping underlying themes, metaphors, and the author's perspective. Learning a new skill. Beyond just following steps, you understand why each step is necessary, how it relates to others, and how you could adapt it to different situations. Interpersonal communication. It's not just about hearing someone's words, but understanding their emotions, intentions, and the broader context of the conversation, like nonverbal cues. So, the ability to comprehend in detail is a blend of attention, analysis, memory, and application, all working together to help you grasp complex ideas, situations, or concepts.